Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delightful recipe in store for you. Braised rice with spring bamboo shoots and preserved sausage. It's a dish that combines comforting flavors and aromatic ingredients. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll prepare all the necessary ingredients. Take the rice and rinse it thoroughly before soaking it in water for half an hour, allowing it to plump up and become ready for cooking. Peel the spring bamboo shoots and cut them into stripes. Give them a quick blanch in boiling water for 2 minutes, then drain and set them aside. Meanwhile, soak the shiitake mushrooms and slice the preserved sausage diagonally. Next, we'll wash and cut the scallions into small sections, separating the white and green parts. In a frying pan, add some cooking oil and heat it up. Once the oil reaches about 60% hot, add the white part of the scallions and saute them until they become wonderfully fragrant. Now, it's time to introduce the sliced preserved sausage and stir-fry it until it becomes slightly oily. To continue building the flavors, add the shiitake mushrooms and spring bamboo shoots to the pan, ensuring they are evenly incorporated. Now, let's bring all the flavors together. Add the stir-fried ingredients and soaked rice to the container of an Instant Pot. It's time to infuse it with a delicious blend of seasonings. Pour in an appropriate amount of water, ensuring that it covers the rice and ingredients. Next, stir in light soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and a suitable amount of sugar. Once everything is combined, it's time to let the Instant Pot work its magic. Set it to the rice mode and let it cook until it reaches perfection. Once the dish is ready, turn off the heat and sprinkle the green part of the scallions on top for a burst of freshness and visual appeal. And there you have it. Your braised rice with spring bamboo shoots and preserved sausage is now ready to be savored. The combination of tender bamboo shoots, flavorful sausage, and perfectly cooked rice creates a comforting and satisfying dish. I encourage you to give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Your feedback means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time with another delicious recipe.